Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. And welcome to the new update on Bonfida. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that Bonfida has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price line has rallied very well and now it is stuck inside in another up channel. As so far from this low, when we were testing the support of this wedge here up till this high, Bonfida has rallied more than 420%. And during this rally, you can see that it has also broken out this quite long-term and very, very strong resistance zone that starts from 28 cents and goes to 35 cents. And you can see that previously this support and resistance zone has been breaking as a very strong support zone here. Even for several months, it has been breaking as a very strong support zone from the month of June 2022 up till the month of May 2023. And when we broke it down here in the month of June 2023, it was flipped into a very strong resistance. We got stabilizations here. And now recently we have broken out this resistance zone and retested the previous resistance zone as a support zone. You can see for several weeks it has been moving inside this support zone and then it is geared up. And right now it is trying to break out the resistance of the channel. By the way, we have recently broken out this quite long-term resistance of 60 cents that has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks and here as a resistance. And now you can see we have broken it out. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line is moving above the resistance. Even on the weekly time frame chart, the new weekly candlestick is also open above this resistance of 60 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Right now, you can see that the price line has finally broken out the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and it is moving towards the upper bands of this cloud to make a powerful attempt to break it out. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let's begin with my most recent trade signal for Bonfida that I shared, by the way, on 13th of December 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Bonfida formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell targets on, and the stop loss was below 25.86 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 87% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern. And this move I shared on 3rd of November 2023 with my members. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line first again dropped down inside this buying zone here, you can see. And then we had a very nice pump, and this was almost 40% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonfida, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that previously, since after the month of October 2021, it was moving inside this wedge pattern. And when it was quite squeezed inside this wedge, and we found a quite strong support here at $1 at 14 cents. In those days, I have been telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed and we have found a quite firm support here. And for several weeks, it has been accumulated above this support. And I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this multi-year space resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and then a long-term uptrend will be started and this downtrend will be finished. And now you can see that it has rallied very well, and so far it has rallied more than 420%. If I place this measurement tool, you can see that 421% it has rallied, and we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance zone that was starting from 28 cents and goes to 35 cents. Right now we have broken out this very long-term resistance of 60 cents. Therefore, it can also break as a strong support for the price line. And now there's a probability that while moving inside the support and the resistance of this channel, soon it may break out the resistance of this next up channel as well. And it may also break out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And then this Ichimoku cloud will be flipped into a very strong long-term support for the price line of Bonfida. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.80. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.